Hey YouTube, just thought I'd give a quick look at this Columbian 504 Vise I refurbished. Found it used on a Let Go website, kind of like Craigslist or eBay. And I got this one and another one, an actual Pinterest. I wanted a Columbian. These are made, or they were made, in Cleveland, Ohio. I live in Ohio, so I wanted an Ohio-made Vise. Probably not too many blue Columbians. That was what I decided to go with. Originally, when I got it, these things, it was covered in slop. But the original color of this was green, I'm pretty sure. And I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. It's nice and smooth operation. I did disassemble it. I didn't take the jaws out. These Columbian jaws, they're held in with pins. And the jaws were actually in pretty good shape. So I didn't really see a need there to pull them off. I said I'm not making a museum piece. This is for use. And I actually, for stuff I'm going to be whaling on, I didn't want a swivel base. My other vise over there, it does have a swivel base. And actually, I found out in, 13 or 14 years, my other swivel vise that's been mounted over there, I've never once swiveled it. And that would be this Wilton here. See, it is a swivel base, and I have never moved it. This is a look at the other vise that I got. You can see it is a Pinterest. Pentis, made in New York. And the Columbian pretty much looked just like this as well. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. It's also, solid mount, no swivel. And this was the paint that I had used to paint the Columbian. Found this at a Rural King. Ford blue or safety blue. But it seemed I painted it with a brush. These things are iron. They're not very smooth to begin with. But it didn't look real beat on at all. Not too many beat marks or saw marks. I'm very happy with it. I am using my old CX440 camera. This is the new setup. I don't think I actually showed a video of it. But that's the Sony A6500 and this is a Sony 18-105 G lens that's mounted on it. It's f4. Wish it was 2.8, but those Sony lenses are big dollars. This lens here was only $600. I have it mounted on a Crane Plus stabilizer. But, I don't exactly have the hands of a surgeon, so hopefully my other video should be pretty smooth looking with this. And the good thing about it, this Crane Plus, it can actually power the camera. These Sony cameras are known for just sucking down batteries like there's no tomorrow. So that should really help with battery life. So that's the new outfit and what's been going on. No new tools to show this time. But hey, I'm sure I'll dream up something to be making videos about soon. Alright? Thanks for watching.